Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to edit and update an existing template in ClickUp, and then save those changes so they stick permanently for every future project. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms available, and its template system is one of its best features. It lets you replicate a proven workflow instantly across multiple projects without rebuilding from zero each time. Knowing how to refine and overwrite an existing template rather than creating a new one every time something changes will save you significant time and keep your team working from one consistent source of truth. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is apply your existing template to a workspace item so that you have a live, editable version to work with. Navigate to the space, folder, list, or task where you want to place the template. Once you're there, look for the ellipsis icon, that's the 3 little dots, next to the item, or click the plus icon if you're creating something new. From the menu that appears, select Templates, then choose Browse Templates or Apply Template, depending on which option your version of ClickUp displays. Find the specific template you want to update, select it, and click Use Template to generate it. This step is necessary because ClickUp doesn't give you a direct template editor. Instead, you apply the template to a real location, which creates a fully editable instance you can freely modify. Think of it like pulling a blueprint off the shelf and spreading it across your desk before you can mark it up with revisions. Now comes the most important part of the process, making your edits. Once the template has been generated inside your workspace, you have complete freedom to change it however you need. You can add brand new tasks or checklists, remove items that are no longer relevant to your process, and rename anything to better match your current workflow and terminology. Beyond tasks themselves, you should also look at your statuses. Those are the labels like to do, in progress, and done that reflect exactly where a task lives in your pipeline, and update any that no longer reflect how your team actually operates. Custom fields are worth reviewing too. These are the extra data columns you've configured to capture things like budget figures, priority scores, due date targets, or client names, and they're easy to overlook during a template update. Don't forget assignees, views, and automations as well. If the template triggers automated actions or is laid out in a view that no longer suits your team, now is the time to revise those. Take your time in this stage and be thorough. A common mistake is rushing through and only updating task names while leaving behind outdated status or automations that no longer fire correctly. And that kind of template debt compounds fast when your whole team is using the same starting point. Once you're satisfied that every detail looks exactly the way you want future projects to look, it's time to write those changes back over the original template and make them permanent. Right-click on the space, folder, or list where you applied the template, or click the ellipsis icon next to it. In the menu that appears, hover over Templates, and you'll see the option labeled Update Existing Template. Go ahead and click that. A search box will appear, and you'll want to type the name of the original template and select it from the list. If you manage a large library of templates, take an extra moment here to confirm you're selecting the correct one, because this action will overwrite the previous version completely. Once you've selected the right template, click Next. You'll then be shown your sharing and import options. These settings determine who can access the template and what elements get pulled in when someone applies it in the future. Review them carefully, adjust as needed, and then click Save Template to finalize everything. The moment you hit that button, your updated template is live and ready for use. One important thing to understand before you save: updating a template does not retroactively change any projects that were already built from it. It only affects future applications, so anything your team is currently working on remains completely untouched. This is an intentional design choice in ClickUp, and it means you can iterate on your templates as boldly as you like without any risk to work in progress. You have a clean, safe update process every single time. And that wraps it up. You've successfully updated an existing template in ClickUp. You applied it to your workspace, worked through your edits across tasks, statuses, custom fields, views, and automations, and then overwrote the original so that your whole team benefits from the improved version going forward. This is the kind of operational discipline that separates teams who struggle with inconsistency from teams who scale smoothly. Your templates become living standards that grow sharper with every project cycle. As a next step, consider scheduling a quarterly template review directly inside ClickUp as a recurring task, so your templates never drift too far from how your workflows actually function. You might also explore ClickUp's template sharing features if you want to push your refined templates out to other workspaces or collaborators beyond your current environment. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Save this video so you can revisit any of these steps whenever you need to, and I'll see you in the next one.